Here's a therapy room moment from this week. A husband was describing how hard he's been trying in his marriage lately. Months ago, during a fight, he used the word divorce. And after that, the two of them ended up sleeping in separate rooms in the house for the next few months before they came in for counseling. And now he feels like he's making a tremendous effort to repair things, but he's frustrated because it doesn't feel like his wife is meeting him halfway yet. And what I explained to him is something that happens in relationships often when trust is broken. The person who caused the rupture often feels like they're lifting a very heavy weight trying to repair things, while the person who was hurt still seems guarded and slow to respond. The hurt person is also asking the quieter question, is this change real or is it just temporary? From a neurological perspective, trust isn't just a decision, it's a nervous system process. You see, when trust is violated, the brain shifts into protection mode. It becomes watchful, scanning for signs that threat could happen again. And because of that, the nervous system doesn't drop its guard just because someone starts trying harder. Now here's the relational truth. What actually rebuilds trust is consistent signals of safety over time. Not one big effort, but many small, predictable moments where the nervous system slowly begins to learn maybe it's safe to relax again. And that is a therapy room moment.